Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be discussing a pulsar star. Let me check my notes here. The first pulsar star was discovered in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell, Burnell, and Anthony Hewis, and it surprised the scientific community by the regular radio emissions it transmitted. They detected a mysterious radio emission coming from a fixed point in the sky that peaked over 1.33 seconds. These emissions were so regular that some astronomers thought it might be evidence of communications from an intelligent civilization. Although Burnell and Hewis were certain it had a natural origin, they named it LGM-1, which stands for Little Green Men. And subsequent discoveries have helped astronomers discover the true nature of these strange objects. Astronomers theorized that they were rapidly rotating neutron stars, and this further supported the discovery of pulsar stars with a very short period in Crab Nebula. There have been a total of 1,600 found so far, and the fastest discovery emits 716 pulses a second. We have here besides us an expert to talk about what is being called the cannonball pulsar. He definitely knows more than me and probably doesn't need to read it off a piece of paper. This is renowned physicist Dr. Eugene Williams. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Dr. Williams.
Hello, thanks for having me on here today. As you stated, I'm Dr. Williams. I have a PhD in astrophysics and astronomy. I'm currently doing research and teaching at MIT. I have partnered with NASA on several occasions, and some of my top students have gone to work for NASA and SpaceX.
Quite impressive. Let us begin. What can you tell us about cannonball pulsar?
Well, PSR J0002+6216 is a pulsar star that was discovered in 2017 by NASA's Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope.
Let me interject here. Thank you. I am here to expose the truth that people like this suppose Dr. Williams wants to keep covered up. A pulsar star is those who don't have the lighthouse of space. They were created by aliens as warning signs. What should we be asking? What is that they are warning us of?
What? No, pulsar stars are just highly magnetized rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation out of its poles. The beams can only be seen when the light is pointed at our satellite. It works on the same idea of a lighthouse, but that's where the resemblance ends.
You don't want them to hear the truth. They are lying to you. Pulsar stars are warning lights telling you to avoid areas of space. I know for a fact that the government is covered up to keep unaware of aliens ahead towards us.
Can we stop with these lies and focus on the facts? We're here to talk about the cannonball pulsar, so let's get back to it. This pulsar is one of the fastest rotating pulsars discovered, rotating 8.7 times a second and 5 times faster than the average pulsar.
You want to know why I think it's called the cannonball pulsar?
No, not really.
Well, I'll tell you anyways. It's because it's a weapon and the aliens are going to use it to destroy Earth.
That makes absolutely no sense. Firstly, it's 1992 parsecs away and 1,992 parsecs away. And secondly, it's moving out of the Milky Way galaxy at 2.5 million miles an hour. It has moved 53 light years away from its supernova with its tail pointing to that supernova remnant CTB1. That supernova remnant is closer to us than the pulsar. Fun fact, the tail is 13 light years long.
Sure, let's believe this guy who claims to be a scientist and probably just a government agent sent to lie to the public. The truth is out there, but they don't want you to see it. Trust me, I'm a doctor.
What exactly did you get your PhD in again?
Philosophy, why?
Well, that's all we have time for today, folks. Thank you to both Dr. Williams and Dr. Clemens for joining us today.